Well, here we are, 200 yards with my Savage Mark II BTV. Let's see how good we can group. And we're at 5 power on this guy too. This one's stiff. It's not even really cold out. Oh my god, that's stiff. That's real stiff. So need a throw lever on this guy in the winter for sure. Sun is somewhat in my eyes, but we'll make do. Parallax is set. All we gotta do now is load up some ammo. Alright, we're all loaded up. Let's get some groups on paper. 200 yards. I can't remember my dope for this rifle at 200, but we'll try 7.1 to start. We got 0 windage. All right, like 0 wind right now. See where we hit on paper, aiming at center. Once again, low. So I'll come up 8.1. I'm gonna have to see where I'm hitting here. We're still about a mil low for some reason. So right at 9 maxed out. 8.9. Alright, so we're on the right target, bottom right. And I have no more vertical adjustment, so what we'll do is we'll go left, six-tenths or so, and we'll try holding because we are 0.4 low still. So I'll shoot for the same target, but I'll hold up 0.4. Oh, actually it's hitting where I am now. Maybe not. One thing I do notice in this Viper PST Gen 2, I can't see bullet trace, which is kind of weird. I think we're high now. What is going on with this thing? I'm gonna shoot beside again, try to verify where I'm hitting. Oh no. That's where we're shooting, where we're hitting, so at least that one was. Anyways, not looking so promising right now, but we're gonna shoot for, I guess we'll go top left target for 10. If we get them on paper, then maybe we'll do 20, but it's not looking so hot right now. Okay, we rushed our bottom target. So I'll have to check the velocity on that one shot that dropped. It's half mil low. Oh, you know where that one went. Yeah, you can't see any trace on this. Maybe I'll back it out a bit. Go down to 20. Still can't see trace. Weird. Yeah, I don't know. I can't see trace at all. That's kind of funny. Maybe I'll do another. How many do we have left here? Actually, first. We have 20 left, so I'll shoot another 10 at the same hold, same target. Another one fell super low. Gotta say the bolt is a lot better now. I spent a few times shooting this, not filming. When it groups, it's grouping good, but there's those flyers. They're crazy. So yeah, we got a few ridiculous flyers. One's at like 0.9 mils low. So I don't know what the deal with that is, but that's not acceptable. Anyways. So we'll get another 20 shot group down there. Maybe this thing is settling in with this ammo, because I normally don't shoot Eley in this rifle. And so I figured, why not try it today, because there's no wind. It would get our best representation of what this rifle can do at 200 yards with this ammo right now. So it is also below zero, so it's not ideal temperature for this ammo as well. But basically running out of excuses here. So we'll just do another 20 shot group. I'm going to probably aim at center, because it looks like the only place we haven't hit yet. I'll aim at the center target, very top, where the line goes vertical. So I have a more precise aim point as well. And we'll see what we can do. The sun is in my eyes though. It's not very fun. I wish I could do that. Anyways, here we go. Use my squints a bit. See, here's another one, way low, for no reason. Another one way low. I would call that abnormally low. Yeah, kind of like a shotgun pattern here. Way high. So right now our spread is about 1.2 mils. That's insane. Yeah, it's kind of shooting all over the place now. Well, there we have it. That's the Savage Mark II at 200 yards with Eley Team. I would say it's probably not a match because there's a lot of wild flyers there all over the paper, but there still is a good amount that are grouping. Anyways, let's go get our target and see how we did. Well, here we have our target from the Savage Mark II BTV at 200 yards with Eley Team. And our first 20 shot group, which was over here, we had one fly off the side up here, counted that one, and that group measured 8.37 inches or 3.99 MOA. So huge spread. Not very good, but most of them ended up pretty close to each other up here, but we still had way too many flyers. And then we had our second 20 shot group, which is all the way out here and even out here. So big, huge spread. But that overall group is 8.454 inches or 4.037 MOA. So huge group, and it doesn't look like Eley's a good match for the Savage Mark II BTV. But we'll keep playing with different ammo, see what we could find, because 200 yards you really see how the rifle's going to perform. Like if you're getting massive groups like this, like 4 times the size that it should be, okay, I would accept 2 MOA. 2 MOA would be very good, but 4 is kind of pushing it. But still, like most of your shots are in basically a 4-inch group. Then you have like the odd crazy flyer all out here. I don't know. Still excellent performance for the price for sure, because all the better rifles are basically doing 2 MOA, and that's 3 to 4 times the price. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Let's get back to the video. Well, guys, this is probably gonna be one of those Friday videos. It's not the greatest accuracy or shooting. I think I did my part, but it's just what it is. This is a really inexpensive rifle. The bolt is a lot smoother than it used to be, and it's just not meant to shoot Eley, I guess. But one note now too, it's not even that cold out, and I haven't really shot this Viper PST much in the winter, but even at this temperature, it's only about -3. The power ring is so stiff. Like, holy man. Parallax is pretty smooth. Other turrets are good to go. But yeah, maybe I'll put another EDPRS on this one as well. Yeah, well, there we have it, guys. 200 yards Eley Team in my Savage Mark II. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you all again very soon. Take care. Bye for now.